Good afternoon, I'm Clement Lee. Welcome to my channel that we're sharing today, 2022, August 21, Sunday at night. Let's start. And in the last two videos, I talk about the if statement in Python, but it's still not very nice because it's quite long and it consumes too many lines. Okay, either you have a lot of results equal, result that is it make no sense because the result equal, result equal. We don't like such kind of repetition or in another form that return. We don't like it. How about one liner if possible? Okay, now I'll remove everything. And make a one liner. Okay. Highlight everything. Sorry. So yeah, one liner. It doesn't mean that you have to use my code in Ellipse and Emacs. It's just an illustration because anyone can use it. You can do it manually, I think. Okay, these are the criteria, and that is the one line. So we have this value here and conditions here, and then okay, let's see whether it works. But that's not defined. No, we need this one. So 161 70 161 here 70 because over, so this should be stay true, correct. 164. Oh, the D is too high, correct. Again, it's always on the high side by chance, so that's normal, that's good. So if the 106 is below 120, then must be the D must be below 80, that's normal, correct. 128 something is here below that one, and D however the higher than that, so it should be stage 1. No, 97, yeah, higher than 90 is stage 2, so the correct. So you see, it is out of the 3 videos altogether. We have the okay, this one, the one liner, that one liner, and we will have the return. So you have 3 versions. One is the one liner here, only one line, and 2 lines. That will be the result. Okay. And this one we have return, a lot of return. This one a lot of results equal. So outcome, the verdict, this one with the best, right? Okay, thank you.